In this video, I'm going to show you a best strategy for pocket option that was able to give me 5 profitable trades in a row, and I'm going to show you each and everything in the correct way so that you can learn it within 5 minutes and use it for yourself. I was literally able to make $1,800 by using this exact strategy which I'm going to show you, and I'll also show you the trading that I have made and got 5 profitable results after some time. But before that, you need to understand one thing: no any strategy is going to work for 100% of the time, no any indicator is going to work for the 100% of the time. So you need to be able to find out which strategy or which indicator is working at the real time, while you can test it in your demo account, and then if it is working at your demo account, and then switch to real account and use it. Even for this strategy, I would suggest you the same thing. So now we are going to make $500 per trade in each trade, and we are not going to waste our any time. And let me give you some crucial information that can be extremely helpful in your trading journey. You can literally copy my trades automatically into your pocket option account by using the social trading feature of pocket option. You can join my free Telegram channel, link will be in the description and in the first comment of this YouTube video. Now, one of the most important thing, lots of YouTuber may show you videos that are already edited, but in my channel you will not find those kind of edited video. I'm going to show you the exact trading that I have done within the time frame. As I have shown you, I have made $1,800 in 5 minutes. I am exactly going to show you that, so watch this video very carefully. But firstly, let me explain you the strategy. So first thing you need to do is you need to make all of this currency pair your favorite so that it appears at here. Just make these stars yellow by clicking on these stars like this, and all of this currency pair will appear at here. Now this will be beneficial to switch from one currency pair to another currency pair. That's why you need to do this. Now next thing you need to do is you need to click on these candles. Make sure this candle is selected and select the S5 candle time frame. Now all of these candles are forming in 5-second time frame. Now another thing you need to do is, if it is flag at here, make it clock in this way. Just by clicking you can switch this to clock, and then click on here and select S5 as your trading time frame. So our trading time frame is going to be a 5 second. We are going to do the express trading. Now another thing you need to do is you need to click on this indicator and then see parabolic SAR indicator. Just click on that indicator. I would also suggest you to make this indicator your favorite, because this is so much awesome indicator if used in the right way, which you will understand after watching the trading that I have done. Okay, just click on this parabolic SAR indicator. Sorry, let me click it again. So now these kind of dots will appear at here. Now whenever you see this kind of second dot, first dot have formed and second dot have formed, okay, above the candles, then you need to make trade by clicking on lower. Now whenever the dots are forming below the candles, and whenever you see this first dot and second dot is about to form, you can click on buy. So you can predict the price will go up. In this way you can use this strategy in a simple way. Now if you don't see this kind of timer, so like whenever this timer waits 1 second, so there is one dot, okay, and now second dot is about to form. You see the timer, it's like it is in 5 second, okay, 5th second, then in 1 second you can just click click to trade. Now if this kind of timer is not enabled, then what you can do is let me show you. Just click on these candles and just enable this timer. Okay, so here you can see the timer is off. Now if you click on here, this kind of timer will be shown. Now what I will do is I'll show you my recorded video where I was able to make 5 trades right in a row. Watch that video very carefully. That is an unedited video. I haven't edited any part of that video from start to end. Watch it very carefully. It is going to be extremely helpful for you. And don't forget to like this video, and if you have any question, then do ask me in the comment section below. Also, if you want me to make more this kind of video, then motivate me by making some comment, okay, like pocket option. You can comment pocket option if you think this video is best. Now I will keep quiet and show you that video. Let's begin.